It's late, you're in bed, but your brain won't shut off. Thoughts are swirling, replaying the day, worrying about tomorrow. If this is you, let's do a simple 4-minute reset right now to quiet your mind. A quick note, this routine is for educational purposes. If you're dealing with intense panic or anxiety, it is always best to reach out to a professional for support. All right, let's begin. Step 1, your environment. Dim the lights low. Put your phone away, out of reach. This simple act reduces stimulation and signals to your brain that it's safe to power down for the night. Now for minute 1, focus on your breath. The only rule, make your exhale longer than your inhale. Try breathing in for a count of 4 and breathing out slowly for a count of 6. This simple rhythm activates your body's natural relaxation response. For minute 2, it's time for a brain dump. Grab a notepad or just imagine one. Get every swirling worry out of your head and onto the page. Don't analyze, just list them. The goal is to park them somewhere else for the night. Before you finish, look at your list and pick one item. For that single worry, write down one tiny actionable step for tomorrow. Just one. Then mentally close the page. You've given it a plan, and it's done for tonight. Moving into minute 3, let's release physical tension. We hold stress in our bodies without realizing it. Intentionally drop your shoulders away from your ears. Unclench your jaw, and let your hands rest open and relaxed. Feel that release. Now, continue that release with a quick body scan. Bring your awareness down from your chest to your belly, letting it soften. Notice your hips and legs feeling heavy and supported. Finally, bring your awareness all the way down to your feet. For our final minute, pick an anchor for your mind. This gives your brain a calm, neutral place to rest. You can either count your breath slowly, 1, 2, or you can choose a single word to repeat silently, like calm or ease. As you focus on your anchor, other thoughts will pop up. This is normal. Don't fight them. Just notice the thought. Gently label it in your mind as thinking, and then guide your attention right back to your anchor, back to your counting or your word. And a final tip for after the routine. If you're still wide awake after about 20 minutes, it's okay to get up. Go to another room and do something quiet in dim light, like reading. Return to bed only when you feel sleepy. This helps your brain associate your bed with sleep. As you drift off tonight, consider which step helped you the most. Was it the calming breath, the brain dump, or the body scan? Finding what works for you is the key to a peaceful end to your day. Sleep well.